The phone is ringing. His answer is call your little girlies. Have a little catch up with them. Answer the phone because they've been talking over a lot. Just been talking with the girlies. Talk about how you really want to. Just really talk about it on your phone. Your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. The caller is answering. Just answer that hello thing. Just answer it. Just answer that phone. Pick up that cell phone and then answer it. Just only talk like you really talk about all the stuff that you really want to talk. When you talking about it. Talk with the stuff. Talk with the girlies. Talking with them about all the stuff that you really are saying a lot. You really think a lot of things to your girlies. Just answer with the girlies. Just talk about with your girlies. Talk with your girlies and hold your cell phone. Just really talk about all the stuff at school. Answer or text them with your cell phone. Talk about all you think you really want to talk about it all. Just talk about it. Just answer your cell phone. Talk about all you really want with your little girlies. Talk with them all you really want. It's just talking to them. She's just really looking like that. Yeah, she looks like that. And just tell her what you know. Tell them what you think about about the stuff. Talk about it with your little girlies. Talk about it like you really talk about it.